I once struggled with these chart mistakes and it cost me a crucial business presentation where I got shredded by investors. I was shy. Let me show you how to avoid the same fate. What's up guys, I'm Dave, I'm a CPA, I go by Piggy Bank Accountant, and today we're going to go over 3 Excel charts mistake you do and how to fix them. First, we're going to go through the misleading axis scales, 2, not having the right type of chart to illustrate your point, and 3, the spaghetti linguine chart. Mistake number 1, the misleading axis scales. So if you look at these two charts, you can see with a glimpse that, oh yes, nice, we sold as much linguines as we sold spaghettis. But that isn't true because the y-axis is not the same scale on the left graph versus the right graph. So as you can see, if we just click real quick and we switch to the slide, we can see on the right that we actually didn't sell as much spaghettis as linguines. So my question is, are you team spaghetti or team linguine? Seriously, my tip is if you show charts side by side, make sure your axis maximum value is the same. Mistake number 2, not having the right type of chart to illustrate your point. Oh shoot, we're selling more than just linguines and spaghettis, but looking at this chart, did we sell more fresh pastas, which are in green, or more bow ties in pink? I don't really know, right? So what I suggest is you select the right type of chart to present your data. To be honest with you, I really hate pie chart. I really hate them. And if you look at this chart on the right here in blue, you will see that we sold more bow tie than fresh pasta just by adding the data labels and just by doing a quick sort from largest to smallest. So my tip here is make different kind of charts and validate them. It's really easy in Excel. You just copy paste your chart, change the chart type, and ask a friend or two, hey, what do you think of this chart? If you enjoyed this video so far, make sure to smash the like button so this video spreads around. Mistake number 3, I call it the spaghetti linguine chart. This chart is obviously no good. So my tip is try to segregate your data and group them together. As you can see here, what I did is exactly the same data set, except that I split my pasta sales into 2 groups. The group above 5,000 on the right and the group less than 5,000 on the left. Spaghetti linguine chart just highlighted your chart is too crowded and it's no good. Do you remember mistake number 2? Because this is exactly what I did here. As you can see on the right, it is much better, much more visual to see your data like this instead of a line chart on the left. More on charts here.